It typically takes about 2 to 3 months for a budget to start working effectively. The time frame allows you to, number one, adjust spending habits. You'll need time to understand your spending patterns and make necessary adjustments. All right. Now, number two, refine your budget. All right. So basically, after tracking your expenses for a month or two, you can fine tune categories and limits based on actual spending. Number three, establish routine. All right, so consistently use your budget, and it's going to help you become. It's going to become a habit, basically, making it easier to stick to it over time. All right. Now, number four, set realistic goals. All right. As you see how your budget affects your finances, you can set and modify goals based on your progress. You got to remember that patience and regular reviews are keys to long-term budgeting success. And don't keep your money in your checking or savings account. You got to put it in stocks and bonds, RSPs at a medium. Check what gives you back 7% returns annually. And if you give $212, let's say what I'm doing, every week for 20 years, what an initial investment of 11,000, in 20 years you'll have $1 million, and 7% of that is 70,000. So you'll be able to spend $70,000 a year and your million stays there always.